Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video we're going to talk about the new 60 round AK-47 mags that I received in, so a little bit of unboxing. This one right here is the AC Unity 60 round mag. I got these from Palmetto State Armory. What a great deal they have going on these. The most expensive one I seen was $69 online, but I was able to pick these up for $22 a piece. I ordered them 2 days ago and just received them, all three of them in the mail. I got 3 of them, and what a great deal. If you're an AK guy, believe me, you're gonna love these. So this is the Schmeisser S60 AK magazine. It's made from a fiberglass polymer magazine, developed and manufactured in Germany. It has a slim and smooth surface with a rough textured finish for the best grip in any condition. Its polished inner surfaces provide the best feeding experience. Disassembling is quick and easy due to the simple design of the magazine, which allows disassembly and reassembly without the use of any tools. In combination with its quality stainless steel springs, the magazine will perform flawlessly in most conditions. And on the back of the package here, it gives you instructions if you want to disassemble the whole magazine and spring right here by pushing this button in. I'm not going to do that because the springs are under a lot of pressure. So again, transparent windows, metal locking nut lugs, and a high duty fiberglass polymer frame. It's much bigger than the first one that I got, longer and a little bit thicker, but we're gonna load it up and see how it goes. But again, guys, $22. I ordered it 2 days ago and I already received it back, so we're gonna load it up and see how good it goes. 60 rounds in there. I had a gentleman on one of my other videos, an elderly gentleman, ask me where I got this from. I sent him a link, but then I found these. Like I said, guys, 22 bucks. I mean, they're amazing. I have a couple of steel 40 round mags that you can see on some of my AKs over there, but if you're going to the range to shoot, the ideal is to shoot instead of spending most of the time reloading magazines and stuff. So far, loading is loads like any other mag. It's fairly simple, and it's great because if you want to load your gun up, you can leave your rifle stand straight up, like I had a drum on there, versus a 40 round or a 30 round, whatever. It won't stand up on its own. You got to have some type of stand or whatever. But this allows you to load up your gun, and then you can set it on your table and get ready to shoot it. Overall, so good. I like the nice clear windows that it has on both sides of it, so you can see, and it gives you a little diagram where you're loading here, 20, 40, and 60. But I like the first one I got from AC Unity. But like I said, these are made by Schmeisser from Germany. So most things from Germany is a very good product. We'll load it up and see if we have any issues with it. Like I said, $22. You really can't beat it. I mean, and very fast delivery too. And they give you a nice little sticker too to add to my gun cabinet or to one of my ammo boxes. So I can't wait to get it out and shoot it and see how it goes. It says it's going to work flawlessly with no hiccups or nothing, so we'll see. My AC Unity one, I never had really no issues with it. That's why I love that magazine. Because if you're out at the range and stuff, it's, you know, you spend a lot of time reloading magazines and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. But and you guys have any of these magazines? And you guys had any issues with them or anything? Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. Like I said, I was very happy with the first one I had. Different companies, but it's the same design. And this one's a lot smaller than the other one I have here. I'm at almost 50 rounds in there, and it's still going good. No really major issues with it so far as loading it. Yeah, we're right here, almost at 60. I know as you get closer down, you depress that spring, it gets a little harder to load. Hopefully, we won't have that issue here. I got about 5 more to go. But again, 22 bucks, you really can't go wrong. I mean, that's a great bargain, considering from the first time I seen him. Like I said, I seen him for $69, $59, $44, etc. And that's it, guys. 60 rounders. We'll see how it holds up, and I put it up over here. But the main reason for it, like I said, was to get it to stand up. They fit all AKs. Any AK it'll work in. So there it is, nice and tightly locked in there. But the idea is to have it like this, so you can set your gun up. So far it looks pretty good. Like I said, you can load up your AK, and it just stands up on its own like that without having to have a drum on there or any type of stand on there. But nice packaging. Like I said, if you want to take the bottom out, it gives you all the directions on there. But nonetheless, the main thing, like I said, it was a great buy at 22 bucks a piece. You can't go wrong. Let me know what you guys think. You guys have any? And if you have any issues with it, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.